PS5 how to appear offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can appear offline on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to appear offline on PS5, all you have to do is simply hit the profile icon from the top right and then simply go to this option known as profile. And when you go to profile over here, you simply want to actually go to your profile image from the very top, and once you've done that, you want to simply click on the option known as online status over here, as you can see. When you go to online status over here, you will find the option called appear offline. You can simply select that and set your status to appear offline. So this way you'll be able to appear offline on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.